Ate Legas, ba't 40? 1,020. 1,035. 1,036. 1,037. Two, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009. Recovery. Pak! Minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
RP.
Ban. Ikaw lang mag-iyap sa kagulingon eh. Maapas ni mo. Dili man ka maglibog man ka man ko. Mag-iyap. Dili lang. Kaulingon lang nimo sa memorize na nimo una una nimo no. Imagination. Iyap ka sa mga kagulingon. Tulak lang.
Commercial pa dito eh.
1,002. 1,003. 1,004.
1,005.
1,006.
Ikaw lang mag-iyap eh.
1,007. 1,008.
Ay, pa si bro.
1,009.
1,010. 11.
1,011.
1,012.
1,013.
1,014. 1,015. 1,016. 1,017. 1,018. 1,019.
19. 1,020. 1,021.
1,022. 1,023. 1,024. 1, 1025. 1, 1026. 1, 1026.
Check
ABC.
1 minute and 54 seconds.
Oh, gamay ko lang. 55 man.
Wala
Okay
gabon.
na lang, hapit naman. Pwede na.
Hapit na siya perfect.
Wala siya kabot ma'am o nilagpak.
Nakasulod siya sa bracket.
Nakasulod siya sa bracket. So muna timanan ninyo ang timing. Paspas kayo.
1 minute and 54, 5 seconds, 5 milliseconds. So pwede na siya considered sa 1 minute and 55. Okay,
Kasi timing.
okay.
Tama din sir, tupo din sir.
Mo pa dito makapoy.
So nakuha? Nakunin? Question.
Masing ka ana.
Conscious adult choking. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ha.
When something is lodged in someone's throat, the natural response is to cough. If the person is coughing forcefully, he's getting air. Encourage him to keep coughing. If a conscious adult
Pag
or
natapos,
child can no
paproceed ako sa
longer
next na
cough,
video,
speak,
Lakser.
or breathe, he may be choking. Have someone call for help and obtain consent. A conscious adult or child who has a completely blocked airway needs immediate care. Using more than one technique is often necessary to dislodge an object and clear a person's airway. A combination of 5 back blows, followed by 5 abdominal thrusts, provides an effective way to clear the airway obstruction. To avoid injury, never give actual back blows or abdominal thrusts to someone who is not choking. These techniques are simulated for training purposes. Provide support by placing one arm diagonally across the chest. Bend the person forward at the waist so his upper airway is at least parallel to the ground. This will help ensure that the object will not go back down the person's throat. Using the heel of your other hand, give 5 firm back blows between the shoulder blades. If the 5 back blows do not clear the airway, give 5 abdominal thrusts. Standing behind the person, use 1 or 2 fingers of one hand to find the navel. Make a fist with your other hand and place the thumb side of your fist just above the navel, in the middle of the person's abdomen. Grab that fist with your other hand. Give 5 quick upward thrusts.
Ay.
Continue to give 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts until the object is dislodged, the person can cough forcefully, speak or breathe, or the person becomes unconscious. If the person becomes unconscious, gently lower him to the ground, protecting his head on the way down. You may need to kneel behind a child to give effective back blows and abdominal thrusts. Do not use as much force with a child.
Saan nakaangkla mo ta dito?
Lapis sa river, di ba?
To care for an unconscious adult or child who is choking, use a modified CPR technique. If the chest does not clearly rise with rescue breaths, the airway could be blocked. Re-tilt the head and give another rescue breath. If the chest still does not clearly rise, assume the airway is blocked by a foreign object. Remove the CPR breathing barrier and give 30 chest compressions. Open the person's mouth. If you see an object, remove it with your finger. If you have removed an object or you can't see one, give 2 rescue breaths.
Pagkabangon ba?
Repeat this cycle of giving 30 compressions, looking for an object.